Alright, so before this really exciting video actually starts, I just wanted to remember you guys that there's actually an iPhone SE giveaway happening right now. There's 3 simple steps. 1, go follow me on Instagram. 2, subscribe to the one and only. And 3, be happy because life is good. Links in the description for my Instagram or for the one and only. Now, let's start with the unboxing. Let's do it. Alright, so Apple is never the first one to do something, but when they do it right, that is what this magic keyboard from Apple is. Alright, and here it is. Here is the magic keyboard from Apple. Apple's latest keyboard for the iPad Pro that turns your iPad Pro into a laptop. Alright, I'm actually super nervous because I really have such high expectations for this product and I'm kind of scared that they will not be met. So yeah, that is the packaging. Let's lift that up and holy, that is so heavy. Alright, so here it is. Here is the magic keyboard from Apple and once again, I am super nervous. Where's the, there's no paperwork or is that, okay, whoa. Alright, so it snaps. Here's the paperwork. That is super cool. You've got this thing designed by Apple in California, instructions, warranty info, all that good stuff. All right, and here it is. It snaps. It's super stiff. Place it in here. It should just snap. All right, and that is super awesome. All right, you tell me. This is honestly absolutely awesome. Let's go ahead and test out the key. Wow, this is heavy. All right, let's go ahead and test out the keys. All right, these keys literally feel like a MacBook. Let's go ahead and test out the trackpad, and the trackpad feels great. It's clicky, and you can actually tap on the top right, bottom left. I am honestly super impressed. All right, as you guys can see, there's the trackpad with a 2-finger swipe. I'm just scrolling through iOS. 3-finger swipe, I think it is. There we go. I have all of this fun stuff. I can just do this. Trackpad support is honestly incredible. On the 2020 iPad Pro and on the 2018 iPad Pro, don't forget, the best thing, literally the best thing about this keyboard is that it's compatible with the 2018 iPad Pro. As you guys know, I returned my 2020 iPad Pro because I was honestly super excited about this keyboard, and this thing already works with this keyboard, so I'm just exciting stuff. The angles, all right, so this is the maximum angle that you can actually, it doesn't go forward. So one of the things that I really liked about this keyboard is, first of all, my Baby Yoda sticker, which I'm gonna have to buy another one to place it right here. And second of all, I like this about it. I could just put it into place and then I could just do this and it would hide the keyboard. It kind of sucked that I had the keys over here, but I had this viewing angle. With this keyboard, I can't. So this is the maximum viewing angle that it can, which is kind of disappointing. This is what the old keyboard sounds. And this is what the new keyboard sounds. This feels like a laptop. This just feels like a keyboard. I mean, I've loved this keyboard so much, but this feels like the real deal. Also, what's really cool about this is the USB-C port. One disadvantage that this has is that you can't plug in a flash drive into this one. You'll have to use the actual iPad. This is just for power. So let's say, you know, you've got a flash drive on your iPad and you wanted to charge it. Since the iPad Pro only has 1 port, well, now it has 2 ports and you can charge it on the keyboard. This video has been brought to you by Paperlike. Paperlike is a screen protector that makes your iPad Pro feel and sound like you're actually writing on a piece of paper. One of the things that I love the most about my iPad Pro is drawing and taking notes, but I don't really like the feeling on how that sounds. So Paperlike solves just that because it sounds and feels like you're just writing on paper. So if you guys are interested in Paperlike, hit the link down in the description. It's honestly awesome. Overall, my thoughts are pretty good. One thing that I don't like is how heavy it is, but it feels natural. The trackpad might be a little bit small. I'm used to my MacBook Pro, which is huge. Boom, I just wanna go somewhere, I just bring it. Maybe I can just do like, boom. This feels good. I mean, it should feel good. This thing is so expensive. You buy an iPad Pro, you buy the keyboard, you buy the pencil, that is over $1,000. Is this thing worth $1,500? Well, I'll have to test it out further. Alright, so yeah, that's it for my first impressions, for my unboxing about the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. Stay tuned. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, I would definitely subscribe. I'm going to be telling you this week how to make this really useful, how to make the Magic Keyboard really useful. I'm going to be showing you some tips, some tricks. I'm going to show you my full review. Like the video, comment down below, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, goodbye.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.